Do your door frames look like this? Well, you might need some microfiber cleaning cloths. Today I'm going to be looking at some microfiber cleaning cloths. They come vacuum sealed. First impressions, these are textured, and I don't mind that because I feel like most microfiber cleaning cloths that aren't textured don't really grab on as much as something that is textured would grab on. In this video, I'm going to be demoing these microfiber cleaning cloths for you and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Let's start with this area here. I'm going to give it a quick little spritz with some scrubbing bubbles. It is very dirty. And then I'm going to wipe it with the microfiber cloth. That is much better. Not perfect, but much better. This whole section is also, you can't really see it, but it's also like brown. So I'm going to give that a quick spritz. And we're going to wipe it off. Oh, look how clean that is now. That's so much better. I did this door frame last, and I just used the residual scrubbing bubbles that I had left on the microfiber cleaning cloth from the other two areas. Voila. If you are looking for microfiber cleaning cloths, I would highly recommend these ones.